Well, hell, you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, we're back in the alternate film room today because, well, this one, I'm going to use some adult words, alright? I think I'm going to call this one an open letter to Battlebox in defense of DocP. Now, over the weekend, I saw Doc's news review pop up, and I went, okay, well, I'll check it out in a little bit, because I haven't really been huge into Battlebox lately, as you know by my channel. So I occasionally will watch Doc's reviews. Well, on Battlebox, I should say. And here's a big reason why. He's brutally honest about what's in that box. He gives you a really good opinion of what's in there. And what I'm seeing is a lot of hatred directed at him. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Battlebox released their latest monthly subscription box. And the knife of the month is a piece of crap. Okay. We're splitting hairs right now over Damascus steel and Damascus pattern. If you tell me something is a Damascus pattern, I'm going to start thinking raindrop, ladder, you know, how many layers do you have in there, how many this, how many that. Not, well, is it a sticker put over the top? Is it laser etched in there to make it look like it's something it's not? It's not a buck, so I can't see paying over $100 for a 440C steel blade that's a folder. I can't. I wouldn't even do it with Gerber at 440. And everybody knows I like my Gerbers. So, I watched that video and I went, okay, Doc's speaking the truth here. Because if I paid all this money to Battlebox, and I'm not trying to be too critical of them because their brand new CEO just took over, and I think this is his first box. And I've seen him step right into the fire, but we'll address that too here in a moment. I've seen him step right into the fire on this one. This is not a good first box to put out there. It's really not. What I'm seeing from some comments, well, Doc didn't buy the box, so he has no skin in this game. Yeah, he does. Alright, DocP reviewed Battlebox for years. Until he did not see a value in the box and he stopped. A subscriber reached out to him and went, I love your reviews, please keep doing it. I'm going to send the box to you to review, open it up, do whatever, and then just send me the box. That's skin in the game. Someone believes in Doc and his reviews enough to go and buy him a box. Now, if he's like half of the fanboys that I'm seeing on these forums going, Battlebox, you rock! Don't listen to bad stuff! Go, Battlebox! Grow up. They got caught. They got caught with this Knife of the Month fiasco. There's no two ways about it. And this company that put it out, I'm just picking up their, letter here. If you actually put on that package that it's made in the USA and made in China, we have a problem. Okay? And don't give me this crap about, oh, there was a tight deadline, so, my team didn't put stickers in the right area. That's bunk. That's called quality control. Alright? You screwed up there. I'm really getting tired of this with knife companies. I really, truly am. Although the negative reviews saddens me, I am proud to say that our knives have served Army Rangers in Iraq and Afghanistan, pilots in the U.S. Air Force, and hundreds of police officers across the U.S. use our knives daily. Oh, God, if you were that popular, we'd have heard about you long before now. A lot longer before now. Alright? Tecto, I knew nothing about your company until this broke. Nothing. And I'm a vet. I know people who are currently serving. I talked to them over the weekend. They don't know who the hell you are. You are not a top choice for their blades. You are not a top choice for Rangers serving proudly. And why is it every company always has to say, we are the proud suppliers of, United States Navy SEALs on the front line? No one knows who you are. If you're that popular, what units currently have your blades? What law enforcement divisions are currently carrying your blades? It's a small little folding knife. I've seen what Doc put up. I went and I looked at your website. You're overpriced for what you're putting out. And funny, how all your blades seem to be knockoffs of someone else, or someone stealing yours. But I'm sure you're going to say someone else is stealing your blades. Doc put that in his video. He has served on the front lines. He was a Cav Scout. He got out of being a Cav Scout and went to become a parajumper. Alright? Doc knows his survival gear. Doc knows his tactical gear. Go watch more of his reviews. He doesn't bash Battlebox every single chance he gets. He wants them to be great again. I want Battlebox to be great again. I want those glory days of Battlebox where everybody was lighting up forums and going, can you believe this came out? Can you believe that? Hey, you know, let's try this, not this. Well, at least I got one item. I remember those days. I remember days where you got no leaks whatsoever, and it was a race to see who got their box in first, and hey, who could share the mission card. That's what he's upset about. It's not there anymore. I left Battlebox when it became Battlebox, Battletech, Lordenfield, and what was that other damn one? Mr. Dabs had 3 companies that he's putting in Battlebox all the time. That's basically what I said. I'm done. I didn't like the fact that the Ready Man Wraith is an exact ripoff of a Gerber Ghost Strike. Nope. But still, Doc knows what he's talking about. Battlebox, you got caught. Fanboys, it's okay. I loved Battlebox forever and a day. I just didn't see value in the boxes anymore, so I put that money elsewhere. I quit Barrel and Blade after they screwed everybody over on one box and went, hey, your box got lost, so why don't you pick up next month's box, and when we can, we'll get you out your old box. I legit stopped the PMP prop box because of, well, shenanigans. This is a shenanigan by Battlebox. I really, truly doubt that slipped through. I could be entirely wrong. Mr. Roman, sir, I give you credit for jumping right out into this one. I do. Getting out there and going, we're going to strive not to have this happen again. They're making a customer advisory panel. They're doing things to change the process. I wish you nothing but success, and I wish you turned back into that juggernaut that you were. I get not every box is a home run. I get it. You financially can't do it. I get it. But what I'm seeing it now? No. Doc is correct in calling that out. If you handed that blade to someone and they saw the Damascus pattern on there, they're not going to think 440C, which you can turn 440C into Damascus steel, no problem. It's just layers. That's all it is layers. That you weld up, heat up, beat into a thing, and there you go. That's what gives you that wonderful, beautiful little pattern, all the layers. And the other stuff that you can do to it, like cutting the strips down when you're forging it out to make it a ladder pattern, or drilling holes in there for a raindrop pattern. It's beautiful when it's done properly. If nobody knew, they would look at that and think they got a Damascus blade and be talking about how great it is and how wonderful it is. So, yeah, Doc's got every right to fire it off. I did catch his video calling you guys out. So I'm kind of curious. I'm going to have to go back and see if you respond to it. Because if I were you, I'd get out in front of this one, but still. I feel myself rambling, so here it is. Doc's got skin in the game. Doc doesn't get drunk on every damn Battlebox that he does. Some of his drunken reviews are incredibly hilarious. They really, truly are. If you don't like what he's doing, don't watch his videos. And he doesn't bash Battlebox to get views. People watch it because they want to. I reviewed Battlebox for years. The most reviews I ever got, I think, was 1,500. on a video, and that's because my review beat Curran's out that 1 month, and everyone wanted to know what was in the box. So, he's got a huge platform. People are going to watch him. I watch him. He's my friend. I'll flat out say it. He's my friend, he's my brother. But still, you got caught. Get out in front of this one like you are, and stop attacking Doc for telling the damn truth. Are we that triggered nowadays that if someone tells you the truth, it sets you off? Anyhow, I'm not going to do the usual little YouTube-y things. Doc, bro, keep being you, keep rocking, keep putting out those videos, man. Seriously. You've got honor, you've got integrity, and don't let them even defame any of that saying because you didn't buy a box, you don't have skin in the game. Nope, wrong. And that one comment I saw about you wouldn't know good survival or tactical gear if it bit you in the ass, I laughed my ass off. But still. There you go, guys. Doc told the truth. You don't like it? Oh well. I struggled if I should make this video, but I don't like seeing my friend get hammered the way he is. He told the truth. Have a good one.